friends, welcome back to our channel where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, watching another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Hey, my name is Christina. Nice to meet you. To my amazing supporters, thank y'all so much for all of your amazing support. I appreciate every single one of y'all. Thank you guys so much. So today is Friday, November 18th. It's currently 3:47 p.m. and we are doing another get ready with me, y'all. As y'all can see, I already started getting ready, and I love bringing y'all along with me when I am getting ready. So in this video, as y'all can tell by the title of this video, I want to talk to y'all about like positive self-talk. Okay, this has been on my mind. It's something I've been dealing with. It's an area I've been growing in, and I really wanted to share it with y'all. So I really hope this will be helpful to someone. I'm gonna be doing I'm just doing like my brows, mascara. I already did my lips, and that's pretty much it. And then put my jewelry on, shoes, all that stuff. Outfit already picked out, you know. So anyways, we gonna get into it. So I gotta bring y'all in a little bit closer. So positive self-talk. The same way like you are nice and respectful to other people, y'all, it is just as important to be kind and respectful to yourself. It really is. The same way you compliment people, make sure you compliment yourself, y'all. That is something that I have been doing lately. Like, I sometimes just take a minute, look in the mirror, and I'm like, dang girl, you beautiful, you got it. Like, you know, like I've just been having a lot more positive conversations with myself, because as I shared with y'all in one of my videos, like a lot of the limitations that we have, it's we that put them on ourselves. Like sometimes we just talk down to ourselves a little bit too much. We criticize ourselves like a little too harshly, and I do not feel like that's okay. So to the people that do that, to the people that struggle with that, this video is really for y'all, because I used to be that girl that struggled with, you know, talking more positive to herself. And I just want to tell you, like, sometimes just take a moment, look in the mirror and say, give yourself a compliment, just the same way like you would just the same way that you would compliment somebody else, compliment yourself. Sometimes we look to other people to compliment us. Sometimes we look for other people to give us positive feedback and things like that, which is totally okay. But you also have to give yourself positive feedback. You also have to speak nicely and positively to yourself, because you have to remember, you are with yourself more than anybody else. So the way that you talk to yourself, the way that you think of yourself, the way that you see yourself is actually really more important than how anybody else sees you or talk to themselves. You get what or talk to you. You get what I'm trying to say? So if it's an area in your life that you struggle with, work on it, y'all. I'm telling you, it will change your life, and it will definitely make a huge difference in your life. So learn to speak positively to yourself. Think about the things that are positive attributes about you and write them down. So back in April, I had taken some time to write down like some positive things about myself, get into like details about it. And earlier, like I read a piece of it and I was just so motivated, like just so inspired. So take time to reflect on the positives about yourself. Don't spend too much time dwelling on the negatives. Like, just don't, y'all. I know someone like one of my mentors, she was saying like one of the things that she knows someone that struggles with, like this girl can do 99% of something positive, and then she'll just talk about and focus on the 1% negative, you know. And she tried to help that lady with that one area where she's like, don't focus on the 1% that's negative. Don't focus on the 1% that you didn't do right. And it's the same thing even within yourself. Don't focus on the small area that you're not so good at, or don't dwell so much on your weaknesses, but focus on your positives. Build yourself up, y'all. Love on yourself, appreciate yourself, speak kindly to yourself. Speaking kindly to yourself is just as important as how you speak kindly to other people. You get what I'm trying to say? So have more positive self-talks with yourself, positive conversations, and don't try to have it all overnight. You get what I'm trying to say? Just take maybe 1 minute a day and write down something that you like about yourself. You know what I'm trying to say? Write down something that you appreciate about yourself. Write down a positive attribute about yourself. Just take it one day at a time, and before you know it, your mind will shift and you will be so just more focused on the positive about yourself than the negative. Because you gotta remember, y'all, we already live in a negative world. Everywhere you look, there's negativity. Everywhere you look, there's bad news. There's this, there's that. So why in your mind should you have the same problem? You get what I'm trying to say? Have a positive mindset. Have a positive self-image, y'all. And I'm not saying it's something that's gonna happen overnight. It doesn't happen overnight, y'all. It absolutely don't. But you can take time and work at it. For sure. Like, you can definitely take time and work at it. It's not the easiest thing, but the beautiful thing is that it's really, really possible. So just have more positive conversations with yourself. I'm pretty sure. And if you don't know where to start, another place that you could start is ask the people around you, what's one thing that you like about me? Just ask them, like, tell me one thing that you like about me, or tell me one positive attribute that you see about me. Take that and feed off of it, y'all, because some of the things that I wrote down, like I told y'all in my my little journal section, like, it was based on some of the things that people told me. So sometimes you have to take the belief that other people have in you, feed off of that, and build your own belief for yourself. You get what I'm trying to say? So I hope this video helps somebody. I'm wearing silver accessories today. I can't wait for y'all to see my outfit. It's super cute. I'm just torn between if I want to wear studs or hoop earrings. I'm probably going to end up going with hoop earrings because they're my fave. But that's pretty much what I got for y'all right now. I'm about to finish getting dressed because I got to get out of here. And then we going to go from there. I'm about to finish getting dressed, show y'all my outfit. I'm gonna either show y'all my outfit now or when I come back. Probably when I come back, I'm gonna show y'all my outfit. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Speak kindly to yourself. Look in the mirror, tell yourself, I love you. Tell yourself you're beautiful. Like, I'm telling myself, like, girl,
I love you. You her.
Like, but that was something I never used to do before. You get what I'm trying to say? So speak positively to yourself. Be nicer to yourself. Be more loving to yourself. You deserve it. You deserve to be loved. You deserve to be kind to, but it also starts within yourself. So I'm gonna cut the camera, finish, and we gonna see y'all in the next part of the video. Alright, guys, so I am back home, y'all. It's just been crazy. Like, it's been super crazy, but that's okay. So I'm gonna show y'all my outfit real quick, and then it's a wrap for this video. I don't think I got nothing else to add to what I shared with y'all, but I'm about to show you my outfit. So I chose to wear this sweater dress, y'all, because when I tell you, baby, them temps is dropping, they are dropping, and it's getting colder by the day in New England. So I threw on this sweater. I could take it off in case it get hot, but I also got this little sweater dress on or whatever. I got these cute little tan boots on that comes all the way up to my knees, and that's my outfit. Oh, I forgot to show y'all my bag. This bag with it because there's like a pop of pink in it, you know. I got my pink necklace on, y'all. But yeah, and I decided to pull my hair up in a ponytail, which it turned out super duper cute, y'all. I loved it. But that is my outfit. Hope y'all like it. Even if y'all don't,
I don't care.
Nah, I'm just playing with y'all, but just talk nice to yourself. That's the purpose of this video. Learn to speak positively to yourself. If you've always been someone that spoke negatively to yourself, you can make a decision today to start speaking more positively to yourself. Write down some things that you like about yourself, that you love about yourself. Write down some things that people always compliment you about, talk to you about, and just remind yourself of those things. For me, I put them like in a note section in my phone so that I could always go back and revisit them. If you just put them on a paper, it might get wet or you might lose the paper or whatever, unless you have like a journal. But definitely write it in your journal, y'all. But speak positively to yourself. You deserve it. You just deserve it. Like, that's the bottom line. And that's all I got for y'all. I appreciate y'all tuning in, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video where I inspire your desire to be great, to be great, to be great. Bye.